The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational tactical aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have engaged 97 Ukrainian artillery units at their firing positions, enemy's manpower and military equipment in 124 areas during the day. Their defense forces have shot down 9 HIMARS MLRS projectiles during the day. In addition, 6 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles were destroyed in the areas of Chervonaya Dibrova, Kremennaya, Phsenichnoye, Rubezhnoye in Lugansk People's Republic, Kirillovka and Volnovakha in Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 407 airplanes, 228 helicopters, 3,747 unmanned aerial vehicles, 415 anti-aircraft missile systems, 8,659 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,082 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,576 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 9,487 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, the armed forces of Ukraine reported that Russia lost 500 servicemen within a day, including 16 armored vehicles, 4 tanks, and 7 artillery units. In total, Russia lost 181,090 servicemen since the start of the conflict, including 3,650 tanks, 7,069 armored personnel carriers, 2,784 artillery units, as well as 307 fighter jets, 293 helicopters and 2,339 drones. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 414 days. There is still no peace talk between two sides. The Ukrainian military also released footage of destroying Russian fortifications using HIMARS MLRS from America. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky swore not to forgive Russia invaders. There is something that no one in the world can ignore: how easily these beasts kill. We are not going to forget anything. Neither are we going to forgive the murderers. There will be legal responsibility for everything. The defeat of terror is necessary, Zelensky said.
Для них немає людей. Син, брат, чоловік, чиясь дитина. Це відео Росії, яка намагається зробити саме це новою нормою. Таку звичку – знищувати життя. Це не випадковість, це не епізод. Так було раніше, так було в Бучі, тисячі разів. Кожен повинен реагувати. Кожен лідер. Не чекати, що це забудеться, що пройде час.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.